Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to download your merchant tax report in Amazon Seller Central. Let's get started. Start by logging into your Seller Central account with your username and password. Once you're logged in, go to the main menu at the top of the screen. Click on the Reports tab. In the drop-down menu, select Tax Document Library. In the Tax Document Library, you will see multiple options for tax reports. You can also see here your seller fee tax invoices and Mexican invoices if you are also selling in Mexico. To download the tax report, go to the first option Tax Document Library and click on Generate a Tax Report. Next, select the report type. Choose the first option, Sales Tax Calculation Report. The other two options are for informational purposes only. Choose the reporting period for which you need the tax report. You can usually select by month, quarter, or year. After selecting the desired period, click the Generate button. The report may take a few moments to generate, depending on the size of the data. Once the report is generated, click the Download button next to the report you just generated. And that's how you download your tax report in Amazon Seller Central. It's a simple process but incredibly important for managing your business's finances. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Amazon sellers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Amazon seller tips and tutorials.